Do you have cumin seeds in your kitchen? Don't just use them for cooking. Soak them in water, and you've got a powerful, all-natural growth booster for your plants, where we turn everyday ingredients into plant magic. Today, we're revealing the secret benefits of cumin water, a game-changing tonic that helps your plants grow stronger, healthier, and stronger. Here's how to make and use it. Keycap 1. Take 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Keycap 2. Soak in half-liter jug of water for 2 to 3 hours. Keycap 3. Strain the water. Keycap 4. Pour it directly into the soil near the roots. This is best used once every 10 to 15 days. Don't use too much. A little goes a long way. Use it on established plants, not tender seedlings. Store the cumin water in a cool place if not used immediately. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you'll start to see stronger stems, greener leaves, faster, healthier plant growth, all thanks to cumin seeds. Who knew such a small spice could do so much in the garden? If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your plant-loving friends. And tell me, what kitchen ingredient should I try next? Drop it in the comments.